Okay, let's begin with the applications of potentiometer. Potentiometer can be used as voltage divider. Okay, what is the function of voltage divider? To continuously change the output voltage. Here, by using potentiometer as voltage divider, we can continuously change the output voltage. Here AB is the potentiometer wire, and across AB we have battery of EMF epsilon and a resistance R. Okay, now V is the potential difference between AB wire. V is the potential difference between the wire AB. Now see, this connection is done in such a way that A is at higher potential as compared to B. If you see from here, the positive end of the battery is connected to the A point of the wire. Now from positive terminal of the wire, we have a device who will be getting output voltage, and to another end of the device we are connecting the slider of the potentiometer. Okay, slider, or you can also say a jockey. By touching the jockey we can change the output voltage. How? See, here the device is connected parallel to this battery. Suppose we have used 20 volt battery. Okay, now according to the length, potential difference will change across the wire. If here the length is L1, here the length is, if you see here the length is more, as let this be point as P point. So whatever is the length over here, according to the length we'll be getting potential to this device or the voltage to this device. Suppose here the length is more, so it is 16 volt this side and 4 volt this side. If I move the slider to this point, suppose now the slider is to this point, not at this point. Here the length of the wire across the device has increased. So the voltage coming to the device will be now 18 volt, and here the length has reduced, so it will be 2 volt this side. So by sliding the slider of the potentiometer, you can change the voltage coming to the device, or whatever voltage you want to give to the device, you can change that. So the output, though we have applied 20 volt over here, 20 volt battery, but according to our need we can provide the amount required to the device, or the amount of voltage we want to provide to the device. Okay, if I want to provide less voltage, suppose 10 voltage, so I'll reduce the length. As the length reduces, the potential across the device reduces, or the voltage that will be coming to the device, that will reduce. Okay, so by this we can use potentiometer as a voltage divider. Okay, because we have studied that potential difference depends directly proportional to the length. If length is more, potential will be more or voltage will be more. If length is less, potential will be less. So I have explained that if the length is less, potential will be less. So if I want to provide more voltage to the device, I'll take the slider here more away from this point. I'll come to this point. The length of the wire across the device will increase, so potential will increase and the voltage coming to the device will be increased. Hope you understood the function of voltage divider or use of potentiometer as voltage divider. Okay, now in your textbook it is told that the whole length of the wire is capital L, and if this length is L1, suppose this length, this is the point P, so from A to P it is length L1, so the voltage across this device will be equal to L1, or directly proportional to, I can say directly proportional to voltage across AP will be directly proportional to length L1. And what can you say to the voltage across PB? Will be directly proportional to, if I don't know about it, I can say capital L whole minus L1. Yes, I can say this also, right? Now next is audio control. Now sliding potentiometers and rotating potentiometers are used as audio control devices. Again we have potentiometers. For sliding potentiometers are those you might have seen in many of the movies like Ashiki, in that while they sing songs, so that composer slides something and adjusts something, that is sliding potentiometer. Now at your homes you all have seen radios, your father might be tuning, and even you tune radios while sitting, when you sit in the car and you try to play FM, then you move that knob, right? So that is rotating potentiometer. And when you have sliders, you slide and adjust the music or audios, that is sliding potentiometer, known as faders, and rotating potentiometers are known as knobs. They both are used as audio control devices. Now what this audio control device is, name itself suggests audio means sound controlling. Now frequency attenuation, what they do in sound controlling, frequency attenuation. What does this means? खर 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 आवाज़ आती है, कभी तुम लोग कोई गाना सुन रहे होते, जैसे 92.7 इज़ अ परफेक्ट चैनल, 92.4 प्ले करो, म्यूज़िक इतना अच्छे से तुमको सुनाई नहीं देगा, देर विल बी सम एट्यूनेशन. सो टू रिमूव दैट व्हाट यू डू, यू मूव द नॉब एंड ट्राई टू एडजस्ट द फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी एट्यूनेशन. फॉर दैट again you have moved the knob, so you have used rotating potentiometer. Loudness control, if you want to reduce the volume, again you will move the knob, rotating potentiometer. And many other controls of audio signals, wherever we have audio signals को control करना है, so we use potentiometers. Now sensors, potentiometers can also be used as sensors. Now you have seen this device, okay? Now if this slider is connected to a, now this is slider of your potentiometer, this is my potentiometer. So if this slider of the potentiometer is connected to a machine, suppose instead of a device I have a machine over here, ठीक है, to the moving part of the machine, दिस इज़ माई होल बड़ा वाला मशीन, एक बड़ा वाला मशीन है यहाँ पर, और मशीन का कोई एक पार्ट मूव होता है. सो उस मूविंग पार्ट को मैंने कनेक्ट कर दिया इस स्लाइडर से, ठीक है, और वो दूसरा मशीन का दूसरा पार्ट इज़ कनेक्टेड ओवर हियर. मशीन, ये डिवाइस हटा दो, ठीक है, मशीन का कोई एक मशीन ले लिया हमने, और वो मशीन पे एक कनेक्शन कर दिया, पॉजिटिव एंड ऑफ द पोटेंशियोमीटर और positive end of the wire is connected to any point at the machine, and the moving part, suppose this is the moving part of the machine which keeps on moving, so that is connected to the slider of the potentiometer. Now see what will happen if that moving part displaces, थोड़ा सा भी displace होता है तो क्या होगा? See, if slider displaces, slider यहाँ से थोड़ा सा displace होके यहाँ आ गया, लेंथ इंक्रीज हो गया, सो पोटेंशियल चेंजेस, वॉट एवर द पोटेंशियल अर्लियर इट वॉज दैट चेंज्ड, पोटेंशियल चेंज हो गया, and that potential is being noticed by the amplifier circuit, whichever circuit it might be having over here. यहाँ पर कोई भी circuit होगा, एक amplifying circuit, that amplifying circuit will notice the change in the potential, कि भाई पहले तो potential, जो भी potential device में आ रहा था, that was 18, यहाँ था ना, we have seen from A to P it was 18 volt, now the P point has moved over here, so now it is suppose 19 volt, अरे there is change in the potential, amplifier circuit has noticed this change आ गया potential में. That means your potentiometer, this is how your potentiometer works as a sensor. Change in the voltage means this moving part has moved. Sense हो गया ना motion. कैसे motion sense हुआ? Voltage change हुआ potentiometer का. Voltage potentiometer का change हुआ तो हम बता सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर motion हुआ. So this motion can be sensed using your potentiometer. So voltage change shows us the motion in the moving part, or the motion in the moving part is noticed whenever the potential changes. Okay, so if you connect the slider of the potentiometer to the moving part of the machine, then potentiometer works as a sensor. Sense किया भाई, potentiometer ने sense किया, of course उसका voltage change हुआ, किसने मुझे बताया? मैंने थोड़ी ना moving part को देखा. I came and I saw earlier the voltage was 18 volt, now the voltage is 19 volt, means this moving part has moved. So who has told me about the motion? Potentiometer has told me. If I would have not connected potentiometer, then who would have told me about the motion of this moving part of the machine? Or whatever motions might have happened over here, who would have told me? Your potentiometer is telling me, because I have kept my potentiometer as a watchman over here, right? So potentiometer is used as a sensor over here.